Hello everyone, myself Nitin MS from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Currently I am studying in 6th semester Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video I am going to discuss the topic about how to create a table in HTML with examples. Contents. Learn about the basics of tables. Create simple two-dimensional tables. Format tables. Create tables with complex structures. Introduction to tables. Tables are grids made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Tables can contain text, additional markup, other tables, images, and just about anything else. Tables are block level elements. Basic table tags. The table tag is the outermost tag and makes the table. The deprecated border attribute defines the width of the border surrounding the table. The tr tag appears inside the table tag and makes a table row. The td tag appears inside the tr tag and makes the table data. That is nothing but the cell. Basic table tags. This is an example of creating a table using basic tags like tr and td. This is the simple example and this is the output for the previous example. Here the column 1 and column 2 are two columns and the data 1 and data 2 are in the second row of the table. Tables. The caption element appears as a child of a table and contains the table's title. The caption appears just about the table itself. The th element is similar to the tr element but contains the table's header. The header is typically emphasized. Let us see the example for captions and header. This is a simple example for captions and header. Here the caption is monthly savings that is present just above the table. That is not included inside the table because the caption is always present outside the table. And then the header is a bit bigger compared to the normal elements present in the cell. This is the output here. This is the output for this example. Table grouping. The t-head, t-foot and t-body tags are used to group tables parts, header, footer, body. Note that t-footer must appear after t-body. It's used for dynamic table scrolling, which most browsers do not yet support. These are also logical rather than physical elements. Table attributes. The border attributes defines the thickness of the table's border. Value is measured in pixels. The cell padding attribute defines the number of pixels from the cell wall to be the cell content. The cell spacing attribute defines the number of pixels between cells. We typically do not do this in CSS. Column and cell attributes. Align. Justify the text within the column. Left, right and center. Width. The width of the column. Use relative or absolute widths. Width is equals to 25%, that is 25% of the table. Width is equals to 100 pixel, that is nothing but 100 pixels. V align, that is vertical alignment. Values top, middle, bottom and baseline. Supported by tables too. Table columns. The call tag appears as a child of the table or call group tag and describes formatting for the entire column. It's often easier than formatting individual rows or columns. The call group tag is used to apply formatting to several columns. This is the example for columns. There is nothing but aligning inside the column. It can be center or right or left, anything. Cell spanning. Some tables have cells that should span multiple rows and columns. Row span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple rows. Call span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple columns. Let us see the example for spanning. This is a simple example for table spanning. Here, two or more rows are in one row. Row span is used here. Table formatting and CSS. We have not discussed CSS yet, but I want to mention it here. Everything is a box in the eyes of CSS. A table is a box, a table row is a box, a table cell is a box. A nested table is just another box. Table formatting conflicts. Cell formatting overrides row formatting. Row formatting overrides table formatting. Thank you for listening to my lecture, and let us end the video here.